For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A Guwahati restaurant owner has developed robots to help and assist healthcare workers. More than a year back, SN Farid, a restaurant owner in Guwahati, had developed robots to serve people in his outlet. For the past 1.5 years, the robots have been performing well. The robots brought smiles on the faces of customers in the restaurant in Guwahati.
I have developed a couple of robots, and for last 1.5 years, these particular robots are functioning very well in a restaurant called Uruka, Silpukuri, Guwahati, Assam. They have been used to welcome our guests in our restaurant, to serve welcome drink to our restaurants in our restaurant, and do a work of any other robots can do in a restaurant.
But ever since the outbreak of COVID-19, SN Farid was idle at home with his restaurant closed due to lockdown. During those 2 months, he decided to redesign robots to help the healthcare workers.
Now it has been these robots have been used for last 1.5 years, and it is functioning very well. So now when this pandemic started, the corona issue has come up. So last 1.5 years, 2 months, almost 2 months, I was sitting idle, and I thought of why can't the same robot can be redesigned to assist our health workers and our very honorable learned doctors, nurses.
These robots can be used to interact with COVID-19 infected patients and assist them with food and medicine. The robot can perform the tasks of a nurse while visiting a COVID-19 ward.
This particular robot, Dubori, can be sent to a infected patient, corona infected patient near to the bed, and she can perform the task of a particular health worker like a nurse. She can assist to the patient. She can go to near to the patient's bed and deliver medicines, inquiry about the health of the patient. She can deliver food to the patient, and any other information what a nurse can do in a hospital in a usual way.
The innovator claims that doctors too can interact with COVID-19 patients with the help of these robots.
Next, the same robot can also help a particular doctor. So a particular doctor need not go every time near to the patient, because whenever the doctor is going to near to the patient, he has to wear the PP kit, and every time he has to go to not necessary. So he can sit in a different room or even some other place and have a discussion or an inquiry about the health of the patient through this particular robot. Robot is equipped with a monitor, and it can audio-visually a particular doctor can sit in a different place and inquiry about the health condition of the particular affected patient.
A simple restaurant owner haunted by boredom during lockdown redesigned robots to help the frontline workers. This innovation has earned the praises of netizens.